Hey friends, hey. This sun is like really doing something to my eyes. But guess what? We are getting ready to go on a little trip for, the weekend. So we're leaving today. We'll be back Monday. So guess what, guys? Yes, I am taking y'all with me.
Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing.
Okay, friends. I had to get my light right, but let me show y'all what I have. These here, the sticks. I probably won't eat all of this. Is big. You want some of this? A cinnamon stick loaded with with tons of cinnamon. It's good. This is my first time having one of these. And friends, I don't know who else do this, but I love Sam's straws, so I got me some to take with me. I love their straws, and I love Firehouse straws. There was somebody else had real good straws too. Yeah, so we going to stay at the Embassy Suite. I don't think I told y'all that. That's our next home. Our second home. Yeah. It's crowded in here too. I guess everybody get ready for Memorial Day. My allergies and I got puffy eyes. Y'all excuse my eyes. The puffiness is real today. You done ate that hot dog. You done ate that hot dog just like that. Probably 3 bites. I didn't even give y'all a taste. Let me give y'all a taste. Give y'all a bite. Yeah, good. It's all buttery and stuff.
When you want to give them a bite of the other
Look how good it looks. Well, I broke it off. I didn't bite it, so I just broke it off with my hand. And this will be good with some coffee. It'll be good with coffee. Oh, I'm not sure what we're gonna do this weekend. We just gonna be at the Embassy Suite. They have some people call it reception, some people call it happy hour. So we'll go down there and I don't know what else we'll do. Basically, we just getting out the house for the weekend. That's it. He just say, tell him your husband wanted to get you out the house for the weekend. Yeah. Much needed little break. So I'm gonna get off, guys. Cause I ain't got nothing to talk about right now. Are we walking around in here?
Whatever you want. But we're coming back here again when we get ready to leave. So we can pick up a few things.
Yeah, well, it ain't no need to walk around. If he say we coming back when we get ready to leave, because most of the time, like when we leave to go home, we always stop by here and pick up some stuff. Yeah, that's what we do. So how y'all doing today? So what are y'all doing for this holiday? My husband done ate his hot dog. He done gobbled it down. Now he's standing up over me, waiting on me to get done. Look. No, I ain't gonna do it. So guys, I'll see y'all at the hotel, okay? We done made it here to our room, the Embassy Suite in Brunswick, Georgia. So I'm just gonna show y'all a little bit of the room. And I know I've showed it before, but I'm gonna show it again because they made a little bit of changes. So this is the main window and the desk where, you know, if you want to do some work, you can. So they have like the light over here. There's your love seat, which it lets out into a bed. And then they have the two stools right here. A chair. Another lamp and your phone over there. Your air conditioner thing where you can work your air conditioner, you know, for the setting. I always love the pictures that they put up. So cute. That is so cute. And then this is your TV and the dresser up under here and that. So this is the stuff that you use to do the bed up under there. So okay, let's go further in here. So this is the bathroom. Look at the light right there. And then you have another light, and then you have the mirror. Here's your shampoo and conditioner, body wash. They kind of changed that up. That's kind of cute, that a little shampoo the way they got it. And I always love the way they do the washcloth. See the little decoration? Isn't that cute, guys? Look at that, it's so pretty. Yep. So up under there, they have an extra roll of tissue, hand towels. There go your bath towels. Now, I always love the way they do their tissue. That's cute. I can remember when I used to work at the Ritz-Carlton and a Mee Island plantation, but the Ritz-Carlton, we had to do fold our tissue like that. So the toilet is nice and clean. I like that picture up there on the wall. Look at that picture. That's so nice. And this is your tub, shower. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's nice. Nice and clean. I appreciate them for cleaning everything. This here is your mirror. Right there. You got your refrigerator right there. A microwave right here. Let's look in here, because I always like to check these refrigerators and make sure they're clean. So It look clean. Your ice bucket, your cups, a body bar. Yeah, it's nice in here. And then this is the bedroom. So this has 2 beds. This is 1, this is 2, and it has the chair over there. Nice light coming from the window. Oh, this is another pretty picture. I love the pictures, guys. I don't know about y'all, but I love these pictures. So cute. Then we got another lamp, standing lamp, and then we got more of the dressers, you know. There, and the TV. So that's it. This is the Embassy Suite, and this is a double bedroom. Look at this. Look at that one too. Yeah. So it's nice. Nice. So that would end my my tour of the room. Thank y'all so much. All right. Look at that. It's nice. Come here, and then I'm gonna do another round like this so y'all can see. It's really spacious. I'm getting it from this angle because I want y'all to see just how big it is. These suites are nice size. They really big. I'm gonna do a swing. We in Publix. Look at this right here. That looks so good. What are those? That's the popcorn chicken, and look at that. That's either, I think that's salami and turkey and something. Yeah. So we in here. Yep. Trying to find something, because I think I'm gonna eat me a piece of meat today. I think. So that's what I'm in here looking for. So let me look and see what they. Oh, this ain't. Here go the chicken. They got the chicken right here, the fried chicken. That chicken, Publix got pretty much the best chicken, right, guys? There go the wings down there. But let me look over here. I'm trying to decide, guys. How about this right here? That look good. So I might get me 3 pieces just to start out. Look at all this good looking. Ooh, they got wings. So I might just get me 2 wings. And what is? Oh, that's like the corn right there. Hey, how are you? Let me order, friends. So we at the Embassy Suite now. So they have like they have popcorn. Normally they have chips, you know, peanuts. Well, they do. I'm gonna show y'all that after a while. But I guess this is some kind of grape drink right there that they have. And so they have these. They have the nuts over here. Yeah. So, but they don't have like the chips today. Yep. So that's what they have for us for snacks at the Embassy Suite. That's their stuff. So this is the drinks that they have for happy hour, guys. So these are the drinks that they have for happy hour, and then they have stuff back there, but you got to pay for that. See, you got to pay for it. They got the TV. Yeah. So we at happy hour. We adjust this. Get everything. All right. So we sitting here. Taking us a little bit of time out. From all the ripping and running, we was like everywhere. And y'all, it is so hot out there. It is so hot. Yeah. I got me some, can't hardly see it because it's like a light shining right there, but some popcorn. I got 2 of them too. 2 popcorn. Yep. So I'm gonna enjoy this time because when I tell y'all it's been busy, it's been a busy week. But that's something in my hair, that's just a light. It's been a busy week for me, yeah. So much ripping and running and this and that. You gotta do this, you gotta do that. Yeah, it's just been a lot. So I'm glad we're here at the Embassy Suite to take this time. Yes. And spend time with you guys, you know. I got to do more vlogging because all I've been doing lately is those, doing those lives, and you got to vlog, you know, and show people stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Be doing more vlogs. So we got like some vacationing coming up that I'm gonna vlog. Yep. My camera seemed kind of crooked a little bit.
Yeah, this to my channel.
I think you left it like that. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So I just want to jump on here and spend a little bit of time with y'all. Oh, I got this. This is all I got right now. What is this? This is a white zinging, and it has grenadine in there. So that's it. Yeah. So friends, I think I told y'all like on my live that I'm changing up some stuff. So like I'm only gonna do like 3 lives a month. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna still do the Wednesdays at 8:10, but I'm only gonna do 3. So I hope y'all come, you know, come up and support, you know, and make friends, you know, hang out with the old friends, you know, greet the new friends coming in, you know. Things is looking up from here, you know. Sometimes you have to change stuff. When you start growing and stuff like that, you have to change things, and sometimes, you know, things start happening within YouTube streets and stuff like that, you know. So you have to change up some stuff, you know. That's what you have to do. But one thing I am going to do is stay true to me, who I am, you know, and that's helping people, you know, helping people grow their channels, you know, shouting people out, you know, sharing people on videos, you know. I'm going to continue to do that because that's what I like to do. So I have learned, you know, so, but I thank God, you know, because He will send the right people. He sends the right people your way. He sure do. Yeah. But I love seeing people grow and stuff. I just met this young man at Publix over here, and he seen me videoing, and he asked me, "Are you blog? You a blog?" I said, "Yes, I have a YouTube channel." And he was telling me that he's starting his stuff. He's trying to get started. You know, he got his cameras and stuff like that, and he's trying to get started. So I told him, I said, "Well, do your videos. You know, do your videos. Do what you love. You know." I told him, I say, "Come into my live." I gave him one of my cards and stuff. I said, "I'll help you. I'll share you out and everything. So make those videos and I'll share you out."
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Good to see y'all again.
But y'all know he don't hardly like to get up here. It's like pulling teeth. This is what's going on in here. And it's not that crowded, you know. I like it. I like it just like this.